And here we go again, but this time we are speaking about superlatives. Not comparing to, but speaking about the top. Ha! Here we go. So, oops. Again, the situation is I have to buy a computer, but I have three options. So, this time I want to speak about the price again, but I want to know which one is the cheapest and maybe the biggest or the best. So in this situation, what we are doing is speaking about the best, the top, the most. All right, we have already spoken about long adjectives and short adjectives. So the rule goes the same way. Let's start with long adjectives. And let's speak about animals again, but this time we are not comparing cats and dogs, we are comparing all of the animals on the earth. So, from all of the animals on the earth, yes, the chimpanzee is the most intelligent. The most, not more intelligent than another animal, the most intelligent. Top of the file. Another example, the same thing. We are speaking about cars this time, and you want to know about the price. And well, I've checked it out, didn't know, but apparently the Lamborghini is big money. The most expensive car. Yes, number one. So, the rule for long adjectives is put the most at the beginning. Don't forget about the. The same as in Spanish we say el más grande. Okay, the same thing in English. The most intelligent. Alright, what happens with short adjectives? Let's speak about animals again, and we want to speak about tall. Well, that's easy. The giraffe. Now, check this out. The giraffe is the tallest animal. The tallest. Beautiful. And then the combination with the est to express, again, the number one. The tallest. So, with short adjectives, you put est and the shortest, the combination of the and est. Again, we have to speak about long and short adjectives, so let's practice. How do we speak about el más rápido? The fastest, yes. Y el más cómodo, the most comfortable. The heaviest and the most polite. Very good, good memory. And here we go with one more, the largest. So, the rules. With short adjectives, the longest. With two syllables, you have to pay attention if it is case number one, the happiest, or case number two, the most common. And with long adjectives, that's easy, simply the most. All right, spelling rules. Again, this is a question of how you write things. So, the tallest, no problem. Now, if the adjective finishes with E, you simply add st. And the tricky one, an adjective finishing with a consonant preceded by one vowel doubles the consonant. So you say the wettest, double T, biggest, double G. And then if it finishes with Y, you change it to I. heavier. Sorry, heaviest. Okay, let's practice. Remember the hot day and the hotter day, and look at this. Oh my God, it's the hottest. All right, the tired man and the more tired puppy. Ah, look at this, poor Tom. He is the most tired cat. The windy day and the windier day. And look at this. Wow, that's the windiest. All right, let's see this. The big fish and the bigger fish. And no, was that possible? The biggest fish. Unbelievable. Yes, that's an easy calculation. Right, this is easier. I don't think so. And this is the easiest. Yes, definitely. Alright, again, thank you for your attention. Keep on practicing comparatives and superlatives. We will continue with another video and more cases.